Hey, what's going on everybody? Ringke Onyx here. Okay, so I just finished my all-day battery drain test with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It is currently at 2% battery life right now. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera. So what I'm going to do is let it go ahead and die down to 0. And then we're going to do a super fast charging test to see how long it's actually going to take to super fast charge this device with the charger that comes in the box. Now it does say super fast charging on there. Not sure if you can see it. Let me get it to focus. Super fast charging, as you can see right there. So this is the charger that comes in the box. It is a 25 watt super fast charger. So we're going to go ahead and use this because most people aren't going to go out and buy a 45 watt fast charger, which is what this device is capable of. It is capable of 45 watt fast charging, but we're going to go ahead and use the charger that comes in the box since most people are going to be using this charger instead of going out and buying another one. And then if you do want to see me go ahead and use the bigger charger for a charging test with this device, go ahead and drop a comment down in the comment sections below and leave a like on this video to let me know that you do want to see that test. But like I said, for today, we're gonna use that charger that comes in the box. Let me go ahead and get this phone to die down to 0, and then we'll get this test started. All right, so the phone just died on me, so let's go ahead and get this test started. Alright, so we just hit 20 minutes and we are now at 46% battery life. Now that is impressive. This super fast charging ain't no joke. Even at 15 minutes, we were at 35% battery life. So if you need that quick 15-minute top off, you can get a lot of battery percentage to get you through a little bit longer of your day. So let's go ahead and keep this going. Alright, so we just came up on another 20 minutes later, 40 minutes in total, and we are now at 84% battery life. So we haven't even hit an hour yet. We're already at 84% battery life, getting close to that 100% mark. We'll see if we can make it by 1 hour of charge time. So let's keep this going. So far, I am very impressed. Alright, so we made it to 100% battery life in just 1 hour and 7 minutes to be able to power a 4,300 milliamp battery that quick. Like I said, 1 hour and 7 minutes. That's actually pretty impressive, especially in the beginning of this test where it charged a lot faster. When you just need something like a quick top off, that's going to be really good for you. If you need a quick 15 to 20 minute charge, you're going to get a lot of battery life out of that. Now, when you get towards the end, it's always going to take a little bit longer to charge up this battery. But yes, we made it to 100% battery life. Let me go ahead and power this on right here. There we go, turn it on. But y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Let me know if you are impressed by the timing of the speed of this super fast charging test right here. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Make sure to leave a like on this video because I did literally stand here the whole hour and 7 minutes to do this test for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Also, let me know if you want to see that charging test with the 45 watt fast charger as well. But for now, this is Ringke Onyx. Thank you all so very much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.